Okay, this is a metal halide 175 watt mogul base, MH175 medium base, and this is the new LED corn light that will replace it. It's 40 watts, 50,000 hour. The color temperature is 5,000 K. Also comes in 3,000 K. Comes with a 5-year warranty. If you're replacing MH175 medium base, as you can see, it's quite a bit bigger, so you want to make sure it can fit in length and diameter in the fixture. Typically, if you're using the bigger one, it's usually not a problem at all. It does come in a medium base. If you need a mogul base, there's an adapter that we can provide for you, and it will fit in the mogul base for you. Other than that, 5-year warranty, 50,000 hour rated, and 120 277 volt. If you have any other questions, just give us a call at the phone number at the end of the video. Thank you.